Using Find is one of the things I use more probably than any other shortcut tool. It's in Docs, but it's also just on the web. To do it on a Chromebook, what you do is press there's lots of ways. This is how I do it. You press the shortcut keys, Control F, and then you would search for whatever word you're looking for. And as you can see here, then it highlights all of those words. This is great when you're looking for vocabulary or you need to make some changes. So one more time, I did Control F to find it, and I am searching for the word the. My instructions here tell me to replace all the words with, and I want you to replace it with the word Swanson for this assignment. So I'm going to do it one more time. Control F. I'm going to look for all of the thes, and I want to replace all of them with the word Swanson. And this is going to make this particular assignment not make sense, but the point is to show you how to replace. Now, when I press replace all, every the switches to Swanson. So one more time, it's Control F. And then you can find any particular word, character, whatnot.